Welcome to our channel. Today we how to register with WordPress.com for custom UI themes, beginner guide step by step clearly. To get started with WordPress.com, open your preferred web browser. Go to the WordPress.com homepage by typing www.wordpress.com in the address bar. Once the page loads, look for the Start Your Website button and click on it. You will be prompted to enter your email address. Input your email address and click on Continue. Next, choose a username for your WordPress account. Be sure to select a username that represents your brand or website. After entering your username, create a strong password and confirm it. Click on the Create Your Account button to proceed. Once your account is created, you will be asked to select a plan. For custom UI themes, consider choosing a paid plan that suits your needs. Carefully review the available plans and click on your preferred option. You may be prompted to enter your payment information if you selected a paid plan. Fill in the required details and complete the payment process. Next, WordPress will guide you through the initial setup process. You can choose to enter your site title and tagline, which helps define your brand. Now, click on the Select a Theme button to explore available themes. Use the filter options to find themes compatible with custom styling. Preview the themes by clicking on them to see how they look. Once you find a theme you like, click Activate to apply it to your site. After activating your chosen theme, you will be directed to the site customization page. Here, you can adjust various settings, including colors, fonts, and layouts. Explore the customization options to create a unique design that suits your vision. Once you finish customizing, click Publish to make your changes live. Congratulations! You have now registered with WordPress.com and set up a custom UI theme. Take some time to familiarize yourself with the dashboard and available features. Continue to explore additional customization options as you grow your site. Happy blogging and designing with WordPress.com! Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.